he is the drunkest.
Okay, so right now, guys, I'm at my sister's house. I look so pretty. Just look. I need to do my nails. I need to do everything. I need to hurry up. Okay? I really need to hurry up. Like, literally. It's me saying that while I'm still just standing here. How we looking, chat? How we looking? I need to hurry up, though. So this gonna be the hat that we gonna wear. I don't know if I want to wear it or not. I don't know.
Where you at?
I'm at my sister's house. I'm getting ready.
Okay.
Oh, no, she called me. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What happened?
Who you riding with?
I'm a drive.
Why would you guys are gonna get drunk?
I don't know who I'm riding with.
Where you at?
They're in the house.
I was gonna make that a ride with Medusa so everybody's a carpool.
You gonna come get me?
Girl, I'm already here. Like, ain't I supposed to register?
Yeah.
Wait, don't pass it.
You called him?
Huh?
You called him?
Yeah, he said he was 15 minutes away.
Okay, hold on. Hello?
Hello.
Hi, Yvonne.
Hi, everything okay, my miss?
Yeah.
Everything's okay?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Everything's okay.
Everything okay?
Yeah.
Okay, enjoy, man.
Alright, thank you. Hello? You called Diana so she could drive with Manushka?
I called Manushka. Manushka said she's gonna call Diana because I said y'all should. Her and Diana said carpool because the parking right next to the yacht thingy is $30. So why everybody gotta bring their own car?
True.
If they could just carpool.
True. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna really show y'all like what's really going on because I'm just all over the place. I still even flat iron my hair. Okay, guys. See the fit? Very cutesy. Okay, we finna leave. Let's get it. Let's go. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, baby.
Okay, hopefully that sandwich is something.
Hold you?
Yeah, because I wasn't hungry this morning, so I wasn't thinking about food. And then it's right after I got finished done with my makeup, I was like, hold on. I'm gonna be drinking.
Exactly.
And nothing in my stomach.
Marsha said she said you know, to some people who didn't eat, she gonna tell people you can eat if you want to eat first. What do you want?
Oh yeah, you have like little finger food, right?
No, we got big brown rice.
Oh really?
Barbecue chicken.
I didn't even have to make that.
Oh, macaroni.
I know.
Big food. That's her song,
For some reason, I thought my makeup was gonna be darker.
No, that's nice.
No, meaning
complexion.
No, meaning I be thinking that I'm
like
dark.
Oh no, but it's real smooth, real nice.
Right, it's so pretty.
That's your first time, right?
That's my first
You
time.
like it?
Yeah, I like it.
It's nice. Like
I like it.
it's nice.
Now I'm gonna want to do my makeup all the time. Because even when I do my lashes, like I like it.
That's what I'm saying, bruh. Once I learn how to do makeup, it's like it's addicting. Like you wanna like get up and just do a little 1, 2 to look.
But I kind of wanted to do it because I've been trying to learn how to do my makeup. So now I kind of like see like what it's supposed to like.
Yeah.
My bitch drive a all white rank. Couldn't hit it if them niggas had iron. Lanes can't call and you lame. You had it and you lost all the shame. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never help your mans, don't talk to me. You just follow all the trends, don't talk to me. I set the bar on the fucking bar.
He did. Y'all look very cutesy. I love it.
Yeah. Why can't I move it to the vlog?
I don't know. Say hi. I'm trying to get the fish. Who you with to? I love this. Oh, she made a lot.
That breeze is gonna be heated in here.
Baby. The cupcakes ain't that bad. Be really for real. They still cute.
Let me see.
They're really ugly.
They're just smacked a little bit.
They're not bad. All I need is like some little some icing.
They're really nice though. So
it's edible. That's what matters, right?
No clue. It's so hot.
Well, actually, this thing is not just for us, but I mean, this one. Type of dancing music.
Any dancing music. You know what dancing music. Talking about some more type of dancing music. That's so Ooh. I'm looking for them. Shot o'clock. Shot o'clock. Shot o'clock. Show 'em how you fuck your baby dad.
Can somebody put some in my cup, please?
Here's Scorpio season.
So we're somewhere in Miami. We about to take a shot, guys. You have one job, bro. You only took one shot. You talking about so you feel it.
Cause they do say
Look at them, guys.
They do say the whole thing. That's right. Let me get to see her cornbread. Give everybody a shot of Dom. Julio.
Everybody take your shot. Everybody take your shot.
Wait.
Please.
Too much support. Ready?
Cheers to Wobbling 25.
12 seconds later.
Give me my guy.
Time for the birthday bitch. It's time to do birthday shit. Keep it up.
I win. You lose.
Oh my god.
Cause y'all got me wasted.
What? What you was drinking? What you was drinking? And Don Julio. Girl. Taking.
Pussy on vacation.
Clap for these pussy nigga. But I can't get up in the door, pussy nigga. Oh man, slow it down. I'ma give you something that you can hold down. Hold on. I said rule number one to be a boss ass bitch. Never let a clown nigga try to play you. If he play you, then rule number two. Fuck his best friend and make him yes man. I'm a boss ass bitch. Why you think he won't fuck your best friend and your sister? Ain't got no back, no booty in the car. Yeah. It's so pretty. Sexy face of in the club. My baby, when I wake up, she a 10. Body girl, I fuck who I want and fuck who I don't. Yeah, put it down. And you want to do it, want to do it, want to do it. I'm joking. Can you tell?
Fresh white, tall, deep, fresh NFL head, fresh bows with the grease white.
All right, chat. You know,
Baby Yoda vlogging for my sister. You already know what the fuck going on, you feel me? You know, we on the yacht. We got the lick. We got the hose. We got the food. We got the bottles. We got the music. We got everything, you feel me? So, we're gonna pop this champagne bottle. We trying to get lit outside.
Call Krista.
We gotta be on this side and let Diana be on this side. She about to pop this. Hey, everybody,
She's still trying to take a shot.
she's drunk. Oh my God, I missed it! Did y'all get this? I got champagne on my leg. Did y'all record it? I'm pumping so quick. It opened so quick. It opened so quick. You found baby Diana one thing she threw out for you. Bro, I don't know. I didn't think it was gonna open that quick. Bro, that just said poof. I said, whoa.
What was in the shot?
Nobody knows like you do. Nobody knows. How you feel?
Great. I'm drunk.
Drunk as fuck? How you feel?
I'm fucked up.
Fucked up. Type shit.
Wobbling video.
How you feel?
I'm feeling good. Everybody gotta get lit. Everybody not lit right now. My name is Moesha, and I think somebody is the drunkest.
It's too close to you.
I think it's damn.
How you feel, chat?
I'm fucked up, Zoe. Brian gonna drag me off the yacht.
Hey, chat, how you feel, chat?
Chat, I'm drunk as fuck right now. I don't know how to feel, and yeah.
I feel good. I haven't been drinking that.
Hey, I made this! Hey, perfect!
How you feel? Tell the chat how you feel.
I feel good, y'all. He's mad close, but I feel good.
Terrace.
Terrorist! Hey, listen though!
And she still got it wrong.
Hey, listen though! Everybody, let's go! Everybody grab something! Everybody grab something! Alright, I just said terrorist. Anyways, we have to go! Somebody else! Like, get that cup for memories. I'm the only one I know that cup for memories.
Yeah. I got mine over there for memories.
Thank you.
I need my glass.
Somebody grab the food in the cake.
Yeah.
Wait, so wait.
I need to follow y'all. Everybody grab something.
Oh,
No, Moesha said street terrace.
how was your night, your day?
Drunk as fuck, y'all. Like, I'm so drunk. I need to pee. I need to do everything.
Oh my
I'm
God.
ready to go get.
Hello.
Flip.
Hello.
Such a.
My little bitch so bad. 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 My little bitch so